Admira Protect is a light curing based desensitizer, really great adhesion, also made by VOCO. The other brands are listed below. Single dose delivery system. Patients say that it lasts for years and years. VOCO claims that it lasts up to 2 years. I've seen more. Fluoride release, so it treats hypersensitive dentin and cervical areas and crown margins. When the patients are having bleaching, so this is for you general dentists that are out there, you can't use the Admira Protect, or if they're allergic to pine nuts. This patient was advanced Alzheimer's and could not cooperate. No active decay, but severe pain. So I used the Pro-Fluoride liquid. Other brands are listed below. And she was free of pain, but it has to be done every 6 months at the recall visit. This patient did not give me permission, which is why the eyes are blacked out. It was also from last week. So it's a synthetic resin that does not interfere with bleaching products, and the desensitizing can last up to 6 months, no colophony allergy risk, which is to pine nuts or pine trees. I don't know anyone with that except for one patient in 37 years. It's easy to apply, it's not sticky, and it can be used during whitening. So write that down. So you can use this during bleaching. It will not clog the dental tubules.